to get another character. Morning, Scrooge Army. May is ALS Awareness Month. All month long, you'll hear from hopefully a lot of people trying to educate about symptoms of ALS. Me included, but this morning, I think it's May 8th, the importance of also getting more funding. So, right now I'm asking everyone, my entire Scoots RV, donate. And here's the, up here, here's the QR code for our fundraiser for the year. And if you can't donate or don't want to, that's fine too. But help us at least spread awareness. So, share my story, share anything you see about ALS, anyone else that is living with ALS, and making videos about awareness month. We should see an increase in donations. Share anyone's story about ALS. Share any fundraiser or foundation, whether it's ALS United, ALS TNI, or your local ALS chapter. Or Hop and Cure is a good one too. Anything we can do advocate for ALS and raise more money. Help us. This is a battle. No. This is a war. We need to win. There's battles along that line, like a battle of finding out why we get ALS, and a battle with the government to get more funding for ALS. These are all battles that we need to win. So we can win this fucking war. So, please, help us. We need, the only way we win this war is by working as a group. When everyone together. We need your help. So, a lot of people in my life say I don't like to ask for help. That's that's very true. But so right now, understand that I don't like to ask for help, but this requires we need everyone's help. So we can find out why we get ALS, and then we can work on finding treatments and a cure. Oh. Alright, I'm off my soap. I'm off my soapbox. So, peace out. I love all of you. I love my Scoots Army. And, not ever ALS, and love the life you're in. Peace.